So here's how you cancel Canva Pro. So we are in Canva. We're going to go to canva.com. So that, as you can see, I'm in my actual account here. So we're going to click up to the top, and then we're going to go to settings, and then it's going to show up your account information here. And then you're going to scroll down to billing and plans, and it's going to have your options, how you paid. Go to Canva Pro subscriptions. You're going to click these three dots. Then you're going to go to cancel plan. And then it's going to be like, hey, do you want to cancel it? Then you're going to be like, yes. And it's going to ask why. Okay, cool. You don't have to answer that. You can just click other, go to continue cancellation. And then, it's going to ask you again. And then you just kind of click cancel subscription. And then it will be still open to use until your renew date. That is how you cancel Canva Pro.